Hey, welcome to the Virtually Speaking podcast, KubeCon 2026 coverage. John, welcome to Amsterdam.
You know, it's great to be here, but I'm really hoping that, having checked our Helm chart this morning, that we accounted in our values.yaml for, any potential water ingress. Like the tides here get gnarly. So
Absolutely.
I've been saving up all my nautical Kubernetes jokes.
Yeah, man. I know you have. I'm glad you have. And hey, we are not alone. Our newest member of Virtually Speaking has joined us here in Amsterdam. Jad, welcome back to the podcast, Mr. Jad.
Thanks, Pete. Thanks, John. No, happy to be here floating down the canals in the Jordan area. It's been great so far and looking forward to an amazing week.
Yeah, my first takeaway in Amsterdam for those that may not have been here before is if you're looking for your bicycle, it's here in Amsterdam because there are 1.5 million bikes in this little city here.
Yes.
And man, I think I've run across about half of them already. So always be looking. Don't cross the street unless you look for bikes. It's definitely exciting. But yeah, I'm excited to have my head spinning also at KubeCon this week. It's going to be a great week of announcements, of sessions, of meetings. Lots of great interviews. So I'm excited. What are you excited about, John?
I'm looking forward to Platform Engineering Day, going through some of the talks, seeing, how others are solving problems. I'm looking forward to, catching up with our contributors and engineers who've flown out here and finding out, where things are, as well as getting kind of some vision into where things are going. And also I'm just looking forward to trying to, try some of the cheeses, the chocolates, and the local cuisine. So it should be great.
Very good. What about you, Jay?
Yeah, same. I think getting a chance to interact with the community, getting a chance to interact with several of our contributors, a lot of great content around on our booth all week, actually, and platform engineering is where I've been focusing. So Platform Engineering Day is going to be where I'm going to be the most focused, non-work focused, just watching what's happening around me and trying to catch up with as many people as possible and learning. I'm always here to learn and contribute however I can as well.
Well, yeah, it's going to be a week filled with learning for sure, lots of sessions. I'm looking forward to watching a lot of the demos. We've got demos on deploying VKS, using GPUs, AI, all that stuff. Frank Denneman's here, Miles Gray's here. There's going to be a whole booth of subject matter experts here in booth 715 here at the, I don't even know the name of the convention center. Is it RAI? RAI?
RAI,
I think that's
so,
what
yes.
it is. But yeah, so if you're here, by all means, come by the booth. If you're watching this online, be sure to watch all the sessions that are going to be available on VMware.com. And we are here in a boat in the Jordan River in Amsterdam. And I'm telling you what, it's going to be a great week, John.
I'm looking forward to it.
I think this is pretty amazing. Looking forward to a wonderful week.
All right, well, KubeCon 2026 is here. It is day one. Let's do it, guys. Cheers.
Cheers.